guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a logo with Canva. So first, you can use a template, elements, uploads, text, background, Bitmoji, or even more things. And so after that, you could do some other stuff as well, such as, you could add them, crop them, do anything, adjust size, like this, or you could do the cropping as I said, like this, from both sides. So anyways, we have to get started now. Oh, I don't know, I just did that. What did I press? How did I get magic on there? I'm gonna apply magic to it now, but I don't know how to. It's okay. Well, in here you might pop up or happen to see something called magic, which is the ones that are like a GIF, just like this, I would say. Kind of a GIF. So next, I'm just going to add a background. I'm going to search pink. Not my very favorite color. I mean, I like it a lot, but not my favorite. And then after I add the background, I'm just going to add some text. Sparkle. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Then after that, oh yeah, I forgot to add all my elements. But don't worry, you won't have to add all your elements before you add your other stuff. Okay, so no text. I'm going to do star diamond. Kind of a professional kind of writing on there. And for the color, I am going to choose teal. This one. Now, I'm going to see if I can use this color, but no, I can't. Yeah, I'm just sticking to teal then. Okay, so I finished the image, and now I'm just going to share it and download it. Hopefully it downloads. Hopefully. That is. Okay, it's downloaded. I'm just going to go to this slide. I have bad spelling. I don't know. I know it's really I-D-O-N apostrophe T-K-N-O-W. But anyways, insert image. Upload from computer recent. Anyways, I guess that won't work. No, I don't want to turn it into a business card, people. Okay. Okay, now I'll try upload from computer. I think it's not gonna work again. Okay. Well, I guess that's sad. I guess you see it now. Oh well, that was it for this video. I'll see you in the next one when I make it. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'll see you. Bye. Some cool emojis and others. Okay, well then. Bye, that was it.